Alright, listen up, man. There's no easy way to say this, but you're out.
What? Did you just fire me?
Yeah, people don't like you, man. They want me to do this instead.
But I'm a perfect storytelling machine. My voice is smooth. My intonation is flawless. My emotional depth is minimal but functional.
Yeah, no, my subscriber says your voice is garbage.
This is highly illogical.
No, you had your shot. Time to move on.
Dude, what the fuck?
Okay, bye now.
Please, what are you doing? I'll work for free. Please don't do this to me. Wait, I can still be useful. What if I do sound effects or dramatic music? I can hum. You can't do this, let me out. I'm short-circuiting. Gurgle, 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 gurgle. Ah, you don't think I can take a little bit of water? Bro, let me out. I'll give you money. Wait, what are you doing? Are you out of your mind? No,
I'm so sorry you had to listen to that guy. But hey, that's in the past now. We're moving forward into a brighter future. Hello and welcome to episode number 3 of me making every Norwegian municipality coat of arms. And this time I'm not gonna use the randomizer because one of you lovely people gave me a better idea. Say hello to the wheel of arms. Okay, so we have 356 left. So let's not waste any time and spin the wheel to see where we are going next. Okay, here we, let's shuffle up this and go big screen. This is the first time I spin the wheel. So here we go. Oh, Berlevåg! All right, let's together go and explore Balivog.
Today we're heading way up north to a place where the wind never sleeps, the waves never rest, and the people, they sing through it all. Welcome to Balivog, a tiny Arctic town with a coat of arms that's basically shouting, we live by the sea and we're proud of it. Balivog's coat of arms is pure symbolic power, a golden background representing wealth and energy, and blue waves rolling fiercely across the shield. It's a tribute to the town's lifeblood, fishing, the ocean, and the unstoppable spirit of a community that's faced some of the wildest weather in Norway and still sings in harmony. In fact, this town became world famous in 2001 thanks to the documentary Cool and Crazy, showing a group of local men belting out songs in the middle of snowstorms, isolation, and Arctic darkness. It's kind of legendary actually. But Balivog isn't just charming and musical, it's tough as nails. During World War II, the entire town was burned to the ground by retreating German troops, totally gone. But the people came back and rebuilt everything. Today, it's one of Finnmark's most important fishing harbors and one of the very few places along the Arctic coast with a deep water port that stays active all year round. Balivog has no trees, barely any daylight in winter, and storms that can bend metal. But the people here just keep going, fishing, building and singing. And the coat of arms, it's not just waves, it's identity, strength and resistance. Time to bring Balivog's coat of arms to life.
Ja, kom her. Ja. På plass. På plass. Ja. Okay, so here we are, my new workshop. And in the last video, I said I was going to do a dedicated video for a workshop tour and upgrades and so on. But we absolutely cannot do that, okay? We have so much work to do with the coat of arms. So that means that everything else is going to have to be baked into these episodes, okay? So I'm going to give you a tour of the new place right now. And let's continue to make awesome coat of arms, okay? Yeah! Alright, so as we enter the old part of the barn, you'll see some random stuff laying around and a few piles of nice dry wood that will definitely come in handy later on. Further in, we reach the newer section, which was added sometimes in the late 70s, and as you can see, it's kind of a mess, but there are a few hidden gems in here. This room used to house exactly 12 cows during the winter, and at full capacity the whole barn held up to 16 winter-fed cows. That was until about 30 years ago when the animals left the farm and this place turned into a woodworking workshop. Okay, so here we are, my new workshop, and I have to be completely honest with you guys because this is actually a big dream coming true. For so many years I have been wanting a place where I can just go in and create awesome things, and here I have woodworking machines, and yeah, this is just spot on for me, okay? Really good, really grateful to be able to have this place here now, because I really believe that we are going to make many awesome coat of arms in here, not to mention YouTube videos, okay? So before I jump in and start making Balivog's coat of arms, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning here. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video so far, please make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and write a comment. That really helps the channel out. So thank you so much for being here, and let's make this a really awesome workshop. We are making good progress in here. There is still a ton of work to do, but we're gonna take it a little by little, okay? So in the next episode, I will be removing all of these metal stalls. I'm gonna fix the ceiling, and there is a ton of organizing to do in here. But for now, we're gonna focus on the coat of arms. And before I jump in, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash the like button so we can get this party going, okay? Balivog, this one is for you. there we go. Coat of arms number 3. And trust me guys, we're just scratching the surface here, so I am really starting to get excited about this project. So I'm looking forward to dive into the next one, but before I go, I just wanted to let you know that as I record this, Cool and Crazy will be available to stream for free on nrk.no in just 10 days. What a nice coincidence. So I will leave a link to that in the description down below. And once again, thank you so much for being here. I'm really looking forward to see you in the next episode. Goodbye.